Instagram has added a new feature allowing you to rearrange your profile grid. Want to edit your own? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to reorder your grid on Instagram. Now let's get started. To reorder your profile grid on Instagram, first ensure you've updated your Instagram app to the newest available version. Then open Instagram and go to your profile. Tap Edit Profile. Then select Reorder Grid. Here you can drag and drop your posts to rearrange your posts how you want them. If you make a mistake or don't like how it looks, you can tap Undo in the top right corner to undo your changes. Tap the back arrow in the top left corner to go back to your profile and see how your new rearranged grid looks. You can come back and rearrange your grid again at any time. That's all it takes to reorder your profile grid on Instagram. Want to reorder a carousel post? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.